Let's talk about the Blinky Bot, a product being marketed as a super high-tech home security robot. According to the ads, it's rideable, app-controlled, has dual 2K cameras, 360-degree surveillance, two-way audio, and a battery that lasts up to 25 days on standby. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? But here's the reality. This isn't a groundbreaking gadget. It's basically the same device you can find on wholesale sites like Alibaba or AliExpress for less than $25. Blinky Bot just slaps a brand name on it and sells it for over $80, often claiming big discounts from $150, using marketing tricks to make it seem more valuable. There are other versions of the same product under different names, like Anabot or AIO. And if you try to return it, you'll probably run into trouble. It ships directly from China, and return shipping can end up costing more than the product itself. Another concern is safety. Blinky Bot doesn't have official certifications like FC or CE, which is worrying when you're dealing with electronics that have cameras. Then there's the reviews. On their website, everything looks perfect. Glowing testimonials everywhere. But check Trustpilot or other review platforms, and you'll see complaints. People report receiving cheaper versions than promised, and that the same devices are available for less on sites like Amazon. The marketing also uses pressure tactics like countdown timers and limited stock warnings to rush you into buying. So what's the verdict? Blinky Bot isn't a total scam. You do get a product, but it's definitely not as impressive as the marketing claims. Essentially, you're paying a premium for a rebranded version of something that's already widely available. If you're serious about getting a reliable home robot, it's far better to go with a trusted seller who offers proper warranties and verified customer support instead of falling for hype and inflated prices. Happy product using.